Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send multiple videos to a group chat on Instagram from your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, sharing several videos at once along with your message has never been easier. Today, I'm going to walk you through each step so you can start sharing your favorite moments with your friends, right from your computer. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Just type instagram.com into the address bar and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Go ahead and click on the Messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. Now scroll through your conversations and find the group chat you want to send your videos to. Click on that group to open the chat window. At the bottom of the message bar, you'll notice a small photo icon. Click on this icon to start the process of attaching your videos. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, select the first video you want to send and click Open. But don't worry, you're not limited to just one. After your first video is uploaded, you'll see an option that says Upload another photo or video. Click on that, and you can keep adding more videos one by one, choosing each from your computer. Once you've selected all the videos you want to send, it's time to add your personal touch. Type your comment or message in the text box below the videos. This is your chance to share some context, a funny caption, or just say hello to your group. When you're happy with your message and your selected videos, simply click Send. That's it. All your chosen videos, along with your comment, will be delivered to your group chat instantly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to send multiple videos to your Instagram group from your PC. Give it a try and keep your group chats lively with all your favorite moments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this tip with your friends.